Hello everyone, welcome to Kumari's Home Cooking. How you guys doing? I hope you all are fine. Today I've come up with another recipe. It's called Claypot chicken rice, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Actually, I need a piece of salted fish. If you don't want to put it in your Claypot rice, it's fine, it's optional, but I'm putting it, and I already fried it. And right now the rice is cooking. It's 2 cups of rice and 2 cups of water. You have to put less water. 2 cups, exactly 2 cups, not more than the 2 cups, because we need to cook the chicken, everything in it. So we need a dried mushroom, 1/4 cup, some bok choy, some green onions, and we need half a chicken. Usually I just put in half the chicken. I don't really take any part of the chicken. I just put everything, and I season them before 2 hours. I season them with black soya sauce, 1 tablespoon, light soya sauce, 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, half a teaspoon of pepper, white pepper, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch flour, because it won't really get stick. That's why I put in the cornstarch. So I'm going to show you when the rice is almost done. I'm going to mix a separate sauce for the rice. So now I have added 1 teaspoon of dark soya sauce, 2 teaspoons of cooking wine, and 1 teaspoon of light soya sauce, and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. So I'm going to use that later, and I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of sugar too. I'm going to add in the chicken. Look, the water has gone down. The rice is half cooked now. So I'm going to add in the chicken and cook another 10 minutes more. And I'm going to add in the mushroom as well. And cook that for another 10 minutes. So now I'm adding in the soya sauce also together, which I mixed separately. Then I'm going to add in the bok choy and green onion. I'm adding in a bit, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, and wait. 10 minutes is not done yet, so we will wait. I'm going to add in some olive oil going around the pot so that it will gives the crunchiness of the rice. So I was adding a bit more oil. Okay, we will wait. If you guys think your rice is not cooked or what, if your rice cooker stops, you can restart the cooker, put it in cook, and it will cook well. Look, it is almost done. I'm going to wait for another 5 minutes. Before that, I'm going to put in the bok choy. I'm adding in the bok choy here. rice is, it's already cooked. Look at this. It is so beautiful. It's going to taste good. And it must be crunchy at the bottom. Yummy. And the mushrooms are wonderful. I'm going to mix this. And I have salted fish too, but I'm not going to mix it in. Usually we mix it in, but so this is a salted fish. So I'm going to put it a little bit here, and some of them want to eat it at the side. So I'm going to sprinkle with green onion, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please try this clay pot chicken rice. It's going to taste good. Okay.